My name is Elizabeth Colley, or Bess. That's the nickname that everyone calls me by. And I just wanted to say hello and offer you a glimpse into my life. I am currently working toward my degree in fashion design. I love clothes, absolutely. And I just finished setting up my brand new sewing room. Well, almost. I have one box left. And this box has kind of the last finishing touches that I need. It's all of the most important details in my life. So let's open it. Tape! Let's see here, what's in this box? Ooh, this is cool. Ooh, lots of stuff. Oh, look at this. I've got a bunch of fabric and some drawing. I've got a bunch of scissors. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. All the things I would need to make beautiful art, either out of fabric or on paper. This is important to me because I really like to show my creative side and add color into the world. Yeah. Alright, let's see what's next. Big box. Ooh, look at this. It's an owl. It's a stuffed owl. One, owls are my favorite animal, because why not? And he's a little scholar. Education is super important to me as well. I've always been a good student, and I've also really always understood the idea of a forever learner. I always want to learn new things, even if it's a little itty-bitty fact every day. I also really like to share my knowledge with other people. That's why I already have a degree in elementary education, and I was a teacher for a while. So I like to learn, I like to share knowledge with others, and it makes me happy. There you go, go right there. This next thing is kind of hard. Oh, it's protected. Obviously, it's something fragile. Let's open it. Maybe. Looks like there's a few layers to this packaging. This first one. Oh, yep, there's multiple layers. The first one is my divorce. I was with the same man for 9 years, and he was not a good person. But going through the divorce, it ended up being a good thing for me in the long run, but it was painful. It was really, really painful. I never thought I'd have to go through a divorce, but and it definitely broke my heart. I guess I really just need to let it go. Let's see what's next. That wasn't easy. This kind of goes with the last one. Nested goose. You know, my ex-husband wasn't the only one who did this. I have, sadly, a pattern of picking the wrong guys. Not anymore. Thankfully, I'm finally with someone who is actually a kind person. But it's tough when you end up losing the entirety of yourself because of someone else. I lost my personality. I had to hide it. And beyond all of that, I mean, I have this beautiful tattoo. it hides a scar. But even with all of the things I've been through, they make me a better person now. And they make me just want to do better for other people in my life. So, this is hard, but it doesn't matter anymore. Still got another layer. Disabilities. So, I'm actually disabled. I know it doesn't look like it. My disabilities are hidden. I have fibromyalgia that prevents me from doing a lot of things that I want to do due to pain, or just some days I just can't walk. And I also have narcolepsy, so that's really fun. That's actually why I had to stop teaching. I was falling asleep while teaching. Literally teaching while talking. It was bad. Overcoming these is hard, but I am not going to let them stop me, because they are just part of my life. It means I have to take a nap every once in a while, and I have a wheelchair and a cane that I use. So what? So, you know, these matter. But they're not going to stop me. The thing that was in that package, that was my heart. I've had to protect it from other people, from myself. But now that I've unwrapped it, I'm feeling a little bit more open, and I want to share it with other people. In fact, my heart is so open, and I want to share with people that one of the best parts of my life is the fact that I get to be a mom. I found you, huh? These are my two munchkins. And they are something that brings me so much joy in life. Oh, they're sick today. But they bring me joy. They bring me laughter. And I love them so much.
I think
Okay,
the one
go on, go get
it was funny because of me.
That's my box. It's empty. Thank you so much for helping me to unpack my last box for my sewing room. That was not as hard as I thought it would be. I'm finished. I'm done. Now I can start working on my career as being a fashion designer. I guess it's time that I wrap it up. Not what I meant, but it works. Bye.